Okay, on to the dessert. So in here we have a really nice bread and butter pudding that we've made with our own brioche, some cinnamon buns, and like a chai custard. And then next chai custard, some delicious green gages. The first thing to do here is to get our bread and butter into the oven. If you're having trouble getting it out, you can just cut the bag. Then I'm going to stand them up and then pop that in the oven. About 10 minutes at 180, 190. So in the meantime we can get our custard in a pan. Bread and butter pudding is in the oven, nearly ready, so I'm just going to pop this on sort of a medium heat. Now we don't want to let it boil, because what happens when it boils, Kelly, it will split and not be very nice. These green gages are an awesome colour, you can see that. So I think you could take them a little bit further if you wanted to, but I think for the purposes of the video, they look pretty good. So I think we're just going to put it in like that. And in like that. Just pour it all right just in the middle like that. So you still see the bread and butter pudding on the sides. And same again. Finally, topping it with 3 of these awesome green gages.